I knew Upgrade Labs was right for me when my 75-year-old friend said, "This is the way that I'm gonna live to 150." And this woman has more vitality and energy, and joy for life than anyone I know. And so it's one of those people, I wanna drink what she's drinking. Hi, I'm Karen Knight, and I live in Austin, Texas. I have been a mom to 3 wonderful daughters that are all grown up. That's been my main, important, job, I suppose, but I'm a passionate, facilitator of regenerative and biophilic design, which is well-being in our physical spaces. So I have been going to Upgrade Labs for about a year. I joined because of other women that were passionate about biohacking. And so it was important to me that I had a place where I bump into my friends and people that I care about. It was important to me, number one, strength training. At my age, that muscle is really key, and to focus on the strength and that we all lead full lives. So it was a way to optimize strength training and track it, and have the support. There's a lot of high touch at Upgrade Labs. There's usually, somebody there as a guide and somebody that has more information than me. What I've really come to enjoy, and I probably didn't care much about, and what's really important about Upgrade Labs is the regenerative tools. And whether you're a young person or an older person, that were healthy at a cellular level. So while I can go get the strength training, it's kind of a bonus that while I'm there, that there are all of these really kind of fun regenerative tech tools. I have more energy and vitality. We all have those energy drains in our life, but I think consistently using the restorative technology and being on a path to keeping healthy, strong muscle, you're healthier and you feel better. Everyone's knowledgeable, and if they're not as knowledgeable as you'd like them to be, they're so curious in figuring it out with you. Healthcare isn't a one size fits all. So Upgrade Labs, I think because of the care and the high touch from the technicians, it's more unique to each individual and what each individual needs and where you're at that day. I would say in the year that I've been working out there, I feel healthier. I have more energy and vitality. What I'm doing differently though is the restorative tech. I wouldn't have done that at Upgrade Labs. They have so many different things and they're always trying to bring in the newest, latest, and greatest. There was something new in the gym the other day, and I can't remember what it was called. They were all excited. There's a whole suite of options to try. They're really open to the community and what you should know to have good health. If you're on the fence about going to Upgrade Labs, well, I guess it takes a curious, open minded person to try something new, but it's worth it to go for an hour, walk in the door, and see what the staff feels like, and it's fun to see what would be open and available to try, or in that moment, I like to try new and different things, and some people may wanna stay more in their comfort zone of what they know. And I think Upgrade Labs is kind of the best little kept secret in Austin. So stop in and be curious and try something you're interested in or try something that you know nothing about. It's worth it.